I've decided it's time to build a dehumidification kiln. We're going to try to cap the build at $500 total. First stop was the scrapyard to pick up some old pallet racking for 86 bucks. I've decided on a metal base for a few reasons. The main being it'll be a rigid structure that can be moved around easily. Also, it could be perfectly flat across the span with minimal effort. I decided on a 12 by 4 kiln with the highest point at 6 foot or so. This size will accommodate the widest I can currently cut on the mill, and for the length I really don't cut much longer than 10 foot except cedar. While cleaning up the tree outside, I ran the metal through the bandsaw to cut it to size. Much to my surprise though, the metal was thick enough that the bandsaw head wouldn't go down and turn the saw off, so it just kind of sat there running for a little while, me thinking it was still cutting. The pallet racks have thick paint, so I needed to grind some off for the weld. At this point in the process, I realized that I needed to alternate the rails, so that made me take another trip to the scrapyard to grab another piece for the bottom, which brings the total now to $92. Because you know that old saying that nobody ever says, a job worth doing is worth doing 2 or 3 times. Here I highlight my welding skills by sticking the rod to the metal, but I eventually power through it. It's going to be nice to get this done because I'm tired of moving slabs around and just kind of being a material handler. It'd be nice to use some of this stuff. Oh yeah. And if you somehow made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe. I think that's what I'm supposed to do on these, say that stuff. So